Eric with Avalanche Power Wash, Grand Junction, Colorado again. This is the last video of the process we used to repair this awning. Finished product. Both of the seams have been glued. Everything's put back together. Tight as a drum. Go look at underneath. See a little bit of glue, just a little bit, seeped through that seam. I kind of like that. It kind of penetrates all the way through. Same thing over here. And this is not a permanent fix. It's a temporary fix, really. Last a couple years maybe, but cost effective. Property owner was happy. Everyone's happy. Avalanche Power Wash, Grand Junction, Colorado.